Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have these tempered glass lens protectors from RHINOSHIELD for iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. Scratch resistant 9H level hardness provides scratch protection against everyday objects such as keys, coins and even knives. Water and oil repellency. Hydrophobic, oleophobic coating provides resistance against finger smudges, graze, dirt and marks caused by moisture. Dust and water defense. Tight seal keeps water and dust away from the camera lenses and does not fog up the lenses in humid environments. Color accurate aluminum trim features anodized aluminum lens trims that accurately color match it to the device. Nice all that, let's open to see what we have inside. Set up to my iPhone 14 Pro and see how well it can take photos and videos. Pull that. RHINOSHIELD installation kit. Video installation, scan the QR code. Stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product, how you can install it to your iPhone. RHINOSHIELD sticker removal dust, RHINOSHIELD, cleaning cloth. I like they've got and the RHINOSHIELD logo here at the cleaning cloth. Squeegee for tempered glass alignment, plastic, soft cloth at the front. Definitely it will help to align this protected glass at the lens. Nice plastic case. The whole unboxing experience, it is very premium. I like that. And here we have three, obviously iPhone 14 Pro, it has three lenses at the back. Well, let's move on for installation. iPhone 14 Pro, clean the lens very well before applying the tempered glass. We can see it's the same color with the phone. Remove the sticker. That was all, just press with your finger. You can use that if you want. Nice. Let's install the other. Clean again. Remove the sticker. And the last one. Nice, I like it. Good installation.